Learn Canva, one design at a time. So I'm starting on the Canva homepage and I'm going to the social media category. This is where you'll find all kinds of Instagram post templates that are already sized perfectly. Now I'm scrolling through my previously saved projects. These are super helpful when you want to reuse a consistent style across posts or blog visuals. I've found the infographic layout I want to use. I'm just clicking on it to open it up on the canvas. We can drag the corners to adjust its size. I'll browse through my brand to get my brand logo. I'm just clicking on it to open it up on the canvas. Now I'm adjusting the layout a bit. I want it to look good as a square for Instagram, but also clean and readable as a graphic in my blog post. Click on this plus sign to duplicate this logo image and drag it to the other corner. This helps the images align with your message and brand vibe, especially when designing for both social and blog formats. Now let's change this white background to the brand color. Click on the canvas. Click on top color circle. Click on your brand color from the left panel and there. It's done. Adjust any elements by clicking and dragging, if required. On top menu, we can type file name for the design. It is important to give a meaningful file name for better organization. It also saves a lot of time when we have a lot of designs. I think this looks fantastic. Branded infographic, right to the point. Now on top there is a share button. Hit it to download a PNG. If you want to use it as a blog graphic, choose to limit the size up to 100 kilobits. Click download. That's it, an infographic ready within minutes. Subscribe for daily Canva wins.